A janitor for this edition of The Law on You in a situation he had at work. Joining us now, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here tonight.
Dave, it is terrific to be here with you today.
I know you're excited.
I mean, we are excited.
You guys are fired up.
I'm telling you.
And I know you've been looking forward to this question.
Oh, yeah, let's get to it.
Yeah, absolutely. I have been employed for many years as a local municipality as a janitor. I have supported a candidate for council that did not win. The new council member is now trying to get me fired. What can I do? So it sounds like potential political retaliation.
It is absolutely potential, potential political retaliation, and especially in a situation like this, to the victor, does not go the spoils. You cannot be fired because you supported one candidate over another one, especially in a situation like that. You absolutely unequivocally need to get to an attorney that handles civil rights cases, because that's what you have. You have a civil rights case. They cannot, essentially discriminate on the basis of your political affiliation, and they can't fire you because of it either. So it's you have a pretty good case, here, especially if you had some yard signs in your yard and.
But he's going to have to prove it.
Yeah,
too.
you got to prove it.
The allegation that you were fired only because of, you support another candidate. That's great, but there's got to be more to it. And again, we only got one side of the story. They're going to have a defense, but if taking everything you said is true, yeah, you can't do that. But you got to make sure you get your ducks in a row to prove that you were the firing was politically motivated, and directly because you supported candidate X instead of candidate A. So you're gonna have to do all that. So whatever it is, if you have statements that were made, if you made big donations, get all your stuff together so you can give it to an attorney who can literally sit down, go through it, and then really give you the right advice. But if what you're saying is true, you probably have a case.
All right, sounds like it's complicated. So our viewers that need legal advice, if they're in a situation like this, how can they reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
And this is not the type of work we do, but if you give us a call, we'll certainly get you to a lawyer that has handled these cases before, because they are very, very, very technical, as Greg said, and it hinges on the documentation.
And you could even hitch up on Facebook as well.
Oh, we love Facebook.
Yeah.
All right, social media masters, and results matter, of course, with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. Don't forget PAHomepage.com and the Law on You hotline are always open.